Hi guys, in today's video I'll show you how I mount an iPhone on the DJI RS 3 mini gimbal. After my POV car shooting tutorials, many of you asked how I mount the phone and balance the gimbal, because it can be tricky due to the iPhone's light weight. It's not a secret. Here's what I did. I purchased a metal phone holder to add extra weight to the gimbal, and I attached a 200-gram counterweight to the holder. This combination provides enough weight for proper balance. Before purchasing any accessories, I asked ChatGPT what the minimum weight required to balance the DJI RS 3 mini is. The response was that the minimum practical weight is approximately 400 grams. Therefore, measure your phone's weight first, then select an appropriate phone holder and counterweight. In my setup, a 200-gram counterweight was enough, but your requirements may vary depending on your phone model. Additionally, avoid using plastic phone holders, as they may break under the added weight of a counterweight, which could damage your device. Many of you asked why I use the DJI RS 3 mini with my phone instead of an Osmo Mobile, which is designed for phones, and if the RS 3 mini is better. While the RS 3 mini is indeed more advanced, I didn't purchase it for phone use. It's a leftover from when I sold my camera but kept the gimbal as essential gear. For shooting with a phone, the Osmo Mobile is a better choice for most users. It's more affordable and provides stabilization comparable to the RS 3 mini for mobile footage. Additionally, the Osmo Mobile doesn't require additional phone holders or counterweights, and you avoid the delays and complications of waiting for extra accessories to arrive. However, if you shoot with both a camera and a phone, I recommend investing in the RS3 or the newer RS4. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like.